Well, my name is Mike Hynum. I'm an attorney here at Hynum Law, a managing partner. My areas of practice are nursing home representation, personal care home representation. I personally am involved in a lot of debt collection and mainly healthcare debt collection, but we also do all kinds of different debt collection, both consumer debt and business to business. And I also do work in the federal court system doing defense of collection companies and others with Fair Debt Collection Practice Act litigation and Fair Credit Reporting Act litigation and things that are filed by consumer attorneys for alleged violation of federal law by debt collectors.
My name is Brian Zellner. My areas of practice are civil litigation with an emphasis on debt recovery. I also do family law and estate planning.
Deborah Mahaffey. Primarily my focus is family law. That includes divorce, child custody, child support, protection from abuse orders, adoption, prenuptial agreements, postnuptial agreements, anything involving families and children. I also do a lot of dependency work involving juveniles. An additional practice area is employment and labor. I represent people at unemployment compensation hearings, those that have labor disputes, civil rights claims, mainly representing plaintiffs, and general litigation.
Hi, my name is Eric Bialis. What makes me passionate about law is that you really get to argue for somebody. Growing up as a kid, I was the devil's advocate. I would always take the opposite side of pretty much everything and defend it. What makes me passionate about Hynum Law is that we get real hands-on with our clients. It's not one of those places where I'm going to be in the sub-basement of a 40-story building just doing legal research all day and not actually talking to somebody. It's really, in depth. We want to talk to our clients as much as possible and help them as best as we can. And I think that was a really good fit because really helping somebody is not only satisfactory for us, but it also helps them as well.
I like debt recovery. I like being able to find people. It's part detective and part lawyer. And it's once you find them, most times you're able to collect some money from them.
Well, what I love about the practice of law is that every situation is different. No case to me is cookie cutter. Every person that I meet is an individual and is important. Their situation is important. And what gets me out of bed every day is knowing that I have the experience and the ability to work with folks and help them resolve conflicts in a variety of different ways.
We're going to shoot straight with you when you call us. We're not going to give you a bunch of fluff and a bunch of, things that you don't need to hear. We may not be able to give you, 100% with certainty the answer you're looking for, because sometimes that's just the way life goes. But what separates us is that we are going to be real with you. We're going to be there for you every step of the way.